the next point is source of recreation. Yes, tournaments are a great source of recreation, in fact, for the players and as well as for the all sports lover, as it satisfies the playing urge of the players and satisfies the recreation for the sports lover. Now, moving towards the next topic, tournaments and its types. So in your syllabus, there are three types of tournaments. One is knockout, league, and combination tournament. So let's see what is a knockout tournament. Knockout tournament is also known as elimination tournament. In this tournament, a team once get defeated at any stage or any round is eliminated from the tournament, and the teams which keep on winning continues and is a winner. So this is a tournament where the team gets defeated is out of the tournament, it's knockout, and the team which keeps on winning is a winner team. So let's also see the advantages and disadvantages. So knockout tournaments are basically they are less expensive, they are economical tournaments as there are less number of matches compared to others. So it is good for the organizers as well as for the teams. Next is it consumes less time also and enhances the standards of sports because the time is less, so the players give their best of the best, so the standard of sports is also get enhanced. Required less time to complete the tournament because of the less number of matches, the games the tournament completes in a short time, and minimum numbers of officials are also required. So let's also see the disadvantages. The disadvantages is that a weaker team sometimes emerges as a winner, and at every stage there is a chance of elimination. Okay, then spectator lose interest in the final match because sometimes the favorite teams are out in the very early rounds, so spectators lose their interest and the final matches can be seen with a less number of the spectators. Now moving towards the next topic, that is a league or round robin tournament. League tournament are also known as a round robin tournament. In this tournament, every team has to play with every other team, irrespective of their win or defeat or draw. So let's discuss this single league tournament. In single league tournament, every team plays with every other team once. Number of matches can be calculated by the given formula n minus 1 upon 2, where n is the number of teams. So I'll show you here that what does this mean. Suppose there are 8 teams participating in a single league tournament. So the formula is uh, n minus 1 upon 2. So here I will show you that suppose 8 teams are participating. So 8 minus 1 upon 2, that is 8 multiplied by 7 upon 2. It is in this following way: 26 28 matches will be there according to the given formula. All right, so let's see. The other is the double league tournament. Double league tournament is the tournament where every each team plays with every other team twice, irrespective of victory or defeat. The number of matches calculated in this tournament is n n minus 1. Suppose there are 9 teams, so the number of matches will be in the following way: 9 multiplied by 8, total are the 72 matches. So the number of matches will be so the number of matches will be 72. This is for the double league and this is for the single league. Now moving towards the Next topic, advantages of the league tournament. Yes, only strong teams gets victory in the tournament. Yes, because at every step you have to play twice with the rest of the teams, or single with the one with the every other team. So the team which keeps on winning keeps on moving ahead, and the strongest team, the team which makes other team defeats, is moved to the very other stage of the tournament, and a true or real winner can be decided in this. Then every team gets full opportunity to show their performance. In league tournament, every team gets a chance either once or twice to show their full capabilities, to show their full talents in the tournament. Then the sports can be made more popular due to large number of matches. Like you can see the IPL matches or World Cup matches. There are number of matches, and because of the number of matches, sports is very popular. You can see the cricket, hockey, football matches because of the large number of matches in there for the league tournaments, and that game is so popular. Then it is also easy for the jury, for the judges, for the selectors to select the best performances and the sports individuals for the higher level of the matches. Then appropriate opportunities are available to the players to improve their performance. Yes, in every match the players get chance to check their errors and mistakes, and they improve their performance in from one match to other matches. Then the next point here it is given, spectators also get enough opportunities to watch their favorite players and team playing. Yes, spectators are also enjoy during these league tournaments because they get a number of time, or they get number of opportunities to see their favorite team, favorite players playing in the tournament. Now we must also consider its disadvantages. The big disadvantages of the time, of the economical reasons, that these tournaments are of they are of the consume more time, more money is required in such tournaments. Then uh, it cost more, yes. Then it is difficulty for organizers to make arrangements for team and officials, because suppose if a league tournament is going to be held and it takes around a 1 month, so it's a very difficult for the organizers to for arranging of teams to to making them stay, then for the officials around grounds arrangements, and lot many things are required, and it is very difficult to keep on the game going for the such a long time. And the very other point of this is a it makes a team demoralized. The team which keeps on defeating gets demoralized, and because of that repeated loss of match, and get psychologically they are not able to give their best of the best in the tournament. Now I will explain you about the next topic, that is a combination tournaments. Combination tournament, as it is a name suggests, it is a combination of basically the knockout and league type of tournaments. So first type of tournament of combination is knockout come knockout, then it is league come league, then knockout come league, then league come knockout tournament. So I'll just tell you about how this knockout come knockout tournaments are held. Now let's also discuss about the this knockout come knockout tournament and league come league tournament. So in knockout come knockout tournaments means the first stage is played with the knockout type of tournament, and after the winners are selected, again they play in a knockout. In league tournament, suppose the teams play in a league form, they play with every other team in the tournament, and after selecting on the point wise, again those teams are made to play in a league, so that a true winner is required. The knockout come league, this tournament means the at the first stage up to the up to the semi-finals, they play in a for the knockout type, and after that the four teams they play in a league way to decide a winner. In a league tournament, again it is like just like a IPL, where a number of matches are held in a league. Then in the semi-final rounds they play in a knockout way, so that a winner is decided. So in my next topic, in my next video, I will tell you about the drawing of fixtures.